Guys, we are home. Look at how this dude arrived home. We are home. Let's change you and quickly go and cook. Everybody is hungry. Liam, I can tell Liam is hungry. Take your cap off. Come and cook with me, guys. Let's go and check what we have to cook with. So, I got this in the store today. We're gonna be having this one right here. Tono, Maggie. We're gonna be cooking with some crayfish, red onions, olive oil. And in the fridge, what do we have here? Pick some tomatoes. Pepper. Some of that right here. Some of parsley. So yeah, we are gonna be cooking.
No. Nur der Laptop.
Ich halt arbeiten. Ne?
Jetzt ist mit unter.
Ja, aber. Is er nog straks inside?
Ja.
Ich halt arbeiten.
Open the window, please.
I know, I think you want to break it.
No, you have no fancy. What can I do?
Nicht. Und bitte nicht so weit. Ich bin jetzt so arbeiten jetzt.
Also, can you stop?
Ich habe das nicht again. Ich wurde was verloren. Wieso will ich sogar trotzdem? Ich bin jetzt nicht, dann tust du auch. Ja.
Actually, give me eggs. Give me 3 eggs.
Mommy, one. But it's not my pet. And then it's not my pet. It's not my pet. Bye. Hello, 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 hello. Bye, hello. Keep it down. Do, 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 do.
Hey, Richard, Lanza, don't play too rough with Liam.
No.
I said, I will have it. I mean, which year? Which was
So
it?
guys, for the baby.
Ah, I just forgot.
Mm.
Bye.